Hey, good afternoon everyone, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Keeping well? Look, blue skies, it's still stunning. What more do we want? So I hear you shout out, Real Deal, what's on today? Today we are looking at this immaculate Victory Vision, 37 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model, pre-loved, and it's been beautifully looked after. Before we do that, look where I am. I'm on the new development. Holiday homes taking shape, choice of pictures. It's going to be another beautiful addition here at Holiday Resort Unity. And for those of you who don't know, we are literally 15 minutes from the M5 and we have the best facilities in the southwest. But for now, before I go into all that and go, should we go and have a look through this immaculate holiday home? Let's go and have a little look. So as we come in straight away, look at all the windows. Look at the natural light that's flooding through. The lovely sofa, separate, and then the corner. Feature fireplace. TV, and then look, your kitchen, freestanding dining table, fridge, freezer. It's just a beautiful, well designed, well thought out holiday home that really does enable you to basically be able to interact with guests and everything else as you're in here. Coming on down your lovely hallway into the main bathroom. Look at that, great size shower, sink, and obviously WC. It's a really good room, very versatile and works really well. Other side of that is the first of the twins. Again, above bed storage, bedside cabinet, freestanding beds, good size singles with wardrobe. Really does tick all the boxes. Then into the next twin, and this one's got one of the under storage beds. So you can leave it set up for one. If you want more space, we can put it up for two. Again, wardrobe, shelf, everything you need. It really does tick all the boxes, but as you can see, it's just been beautifully looked after. And then into the master. Again, wow, all the light that comes flooding in through that window. Great size king size bed, bedside cabinets, above bed storage, little dressing table. Look at the wardrobe space, you know, storage galore, and you can even store under the bed if you so desire. And of course, the great added bonus of the ensuite WC. This really is a fabulous holiday home. It really does tick an awful lot of boxes. It's just been beautifully looked after. And so back down into this really social living space that really does work. So this is the magnificent Victory Vision, 37 foot long, 12 foot wide, 3-bedroom model. Been pre-loved, but as you can see, it's been beautifully looked after. 3 bedrooms, as I say. The master being a great size with the ensuite WC. The versatile bedroom with the under storage bed, so you can either have it set up 2 or 1, and then the other twin with all the room. The fabulous size main bathroom, great shower, really versatile room that works well, and then into this lovely living, dining, kitchen area that's social, that works, and with all the natural light that floods in, it is a fabulous holiday home. Now, what do you got to do? You got to do the easy things. Pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, give me a call. Let's talk holiday homes. Holiday homes here at Holiday Resort Unity start from as little as £19,995. We have holiday homes to suit everybody's needs. 2 beds, 3 beds, whatever you're looking for, I have it. All you've got to do is pick up the phone and ask me. So, Rog, help me find a holiday home, and that's what I'll do. Drop me a text. You can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Answer any questions. Really am here to find you the holiday home of your dream on a park that really does tick all the boxes, being only 15 minutes from the M5. And don't forget, people, you got my YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy, with a versatile amount of holiday homes on there that really does give you all the different options that you can see that what we can do and what we got. But for now, don't forget, it's not a deal, of course it's a real deal, and I'll see you soon.